law is alcohol has to be bagged, but I refuse. It's wasteful.
Leave now.
Let them know that.
Leave now.
Let them be bagged.
On July 15, 2025, police get multiple calls from a Wawa regarding a drunk man who refuses to bag his alcoholic beverage, stating that this is not a lawful command. This is the raw police body cam.
Please keep him out of here.
Okay.
Do you want him trespass?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Can I get your ID card, please?
I don't have it on me, but
Hang on, I'll talk to you in a second.
can
your-
you confirm to me it's
What's
not
your
a
first?
law?
What's your first name?
They have a mistaken belief that the law is that alcohol has to be bagged, but I refuse because it's wasteful.
Well, I understand that, but they might have a store policy as
They
well.
have a store policy. A
All
store
right.
policy
Well,
is
then
not
don't
the
shop
law. Okay.
All right. 21 depending on.
I mean, I'm just.
Hang on, I'm on the radio. 1065 name, date of birth for a white male. You got a Florida license?
Not on me.
That what it is. But
I
it's
do
Florida.
have a Florida
All right.
license. Yeah.
That's what they're gonna look.
I can give you.
They're gonna look for you out of Florida.
Okay.
All right. So have you paid for that?
Yes, I paid for it.
All right. So at this time, they're asking you to be trespassed. If you come as much as into the parking lot, you're subject to be arrested.
I mean, can you confirm that that's not?
Look, I done told you I'm not going into that. They've asked for you to leave. Whether they want it in a bag or you want it in a bag is irrelevant. You've been trespassed. This is my one warning. I'm going to tell you to leave the property now. If you don't head out this door and leave, I'm going to arrest you for trespass after warning. This door now.
I'm
Leave now. Leave now.
I'm leaving, but let them know that.
Leave now.
Let them know that it's not.
Leave now. Leave
I'm
now.
leaving, but let them know. That,
Leave now.
Let them know that it's not the law. Just let them know. That's all I have to.
Too late.
Congratulations.
You congratulations. You just hey, how many times do we got to tell you?
All I ask is that you just let them know it's not the law. That's all that I
Their
ask.
policy.
It's their store policy. Fine.
Yeah, they don't
Let
have to
them
sell
know
you
it's-
either. They don't have to sell you anything.
That's fine.
I mean, how many times do I have to beg you to go?
I mean, I was gonna go.
I told you-
was-
I got
was
you at
after
least. I got
hours.
you at least 4 or
But
5
I would-
times.
I said after
I have
told
free
you.
speech.
We
I
got-
have free speech.
we got
and
free-
I would
You're under arrest.
let them know that
You're under arrest.
Yep. Yep. Well.
Bunch of fucking pigs.
Yeah. We love it.
Pigs.
All right, we like you too, buddy. Everybody gets a ride.
I mean, fuck y'all. Like really. I was being civil about it, and I was like,
He told you multiple times to leave.
and you were being civil. But all I asked y'all was just to confirm with
And the only
them.
thing I asked you
The
to
only
leave,
ask you to confirm
I gave
with
you a
them.
lawful order and you refused.
No. And I was leaving. And I just wanted you
I
to
told
like,
you that after I got done speaking, if you
I
did not
want-
head out the door,
And I was.
I tell you now, if you do anything of the nature of spit or bite me, it's going to end up bad for you. You understand?
I'm not that way.
I understand, but I turn your head to the right. I warn everybody that if you do that, it's going to be bad for you.
No, I'm
Because I've been
not
bit
that kind of
before and I've been
person.
spit on before.
Trust me, I'm not a good person.
All right, I'm going to come around and buckle you in from the other side, okay?
Brother, he gave you. You didn't know.
But I was
coming up
walking
behind
towards
you.
the door, and I was like, but I wanted to let them know as my first
the
amendment
thing is,
right that
but what you-
that their law that their
What you wanted versus what you are legally required to do is two different things. You're legally required to leave whenever you've been trespassed, and I warned you about that several times.
He didn't even see me coming up behind him. He gave you every opportunity, and you just kept
but I wanted
on.
to let them know as
Yeah,
my
well,
first amendment right that
you
they-
should have just said-
their law that their
What
policy
you
was
wanted,
bullshit.
what you wanted versus what you are legally required to do is two different things. You're legally required to leave whenever you've been trespassed, and I warned you about that several times.
It trespass after warning.
Yep.
I got at least 5. I counted on him. You gave him like 5 chances.
Yeah.
He didn't even know I was coming up there.
46-year-old Bruckman is charged with trespass, failure to leave property upon order of the owner, and disorderly intoxication, defined by breaking any or multiple of the following 3 categories: the person was intoxicated or drunk, the intoxication occurred in a public place or conveyance like a park, sidewalk, store, bar, or vehicle open to the public, or the person either endangered the safety of another person or property or caused a public disturbance, such as fighting, yelling, or refusing lawful orders and creating a scene. This is a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 60 days in jail, 6 months of probation, and or a $500 fine. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.